will give another 2-3 minutes. What is Jainism and who is Mahavira? Today is Mahavir Jayanti.
Adjust your camera a little bit, sir. You adjust your camera a little. Yeah. Now it's perfect. Now it's perfect.
Now it is all right. Yeah.
Little.
Yeah.
Okay.
Padma, can you tell?
Sir, I just Google it, sir. I am not aware of it, sir.
Jainism. Anybody, Charan, can you tell?
Sir, Mahavira is also known as Vardhamana. Belongs to 6th century. He proposed, he propelled Jainism before that. That's it, sir.
Yeah. You please take down some running notes. I will be telling you about the Jainism, entire Jainism and its history.
Sir, he started Jainism, sir.
Who?
He started Jainism.
Yeah, he started Jainism. Yeah. Mahavir Jain has started Jainism. Yeah. And according to the religious population, how many Jains are there in India? You have to know it. You please take down the notes. You keep 2 columns. Religion, percentage, and the number of people. 3 columns. Religion, percentage, number of people on that particular religion, projected in 2011 and in 2021. So it becomes 4 columns. Religion, percentage, 2011, 2021. I will start with Hinduism. Hinduism in 2011, total there were 121 crores of population. Out of that 121, it is not there. Madam, it is not there. Yeah, 2011, Hinduism, 79.80. 79.80. The total population is 96.62 crores. 96.62 crores. And in 2021, it is projected as 80.30. 80.30. 2021 dash projected figure, Hindus. 80.30. Then comes Muslims. Population number they have not given. Muslims, 14.23%. I am talking about 2011 first. Muslims, 14.23%. 17.22 crores. 17.22 crores. Projected percentage for 2021 is 14.61. 14.61. And then Christians, 2.3%. Christians, 2.3%. 2.78 crores. 2.78 crores. Projected population is 2.25%. Then comes Sikhs, 1.72%. Six, 1.72%. 2.72%, 2.08 crores, 2.08 crores, and projected percentage is 1.63. Jains, this is the importance of this day, so I am giving that figure also. Jains are very less, 0.37%. Jains, 0.63%. Sorry, Jains 0.37. 0.37. Population is 44.52 lakhs. They are very less in number compared to all the other religions. The Jains are 44.52 lakhs. It should be corrected, madam. 44.52. Yeah. And the projected for 21 is 0.36%. 0.36%. And then comes Buddhists. Buddhists. 0.70%. Buddhists 0.70%.
Just DD, sir, or D?
0.70. Population 84.48 lakhs. 84.48 lakhs. And the other religions, all put together, other religions, 0.66%. And the population is 79.38 lakhs. 79.38 lakhs.
So what is projected for Buddhists in 2021?
This is 2011. This is 2011. And the projections are because the census has not yet started because of the pandemic. And now we will come to Jainism. Madam, you can open that screen.
Yes, sir.
About Jain screen.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. Let them write down if they are not they have not completed this one. Achha, the projected one you have given separately. Yeah, wonderful, wonderful. And then we go for the screen.
Yes, sir.
All of you, please take down the notes regarding Jainism. It's more important. There will be definitely a question on Jainism in the prelims examination in some way or other. Vardhaman Mahavira is the person who is famous for this Jainism. He belongs to 599 BCE, before Christ. And he was born in Vaishali, the capital of Videha. And Buddha is said to be his contemporary. Buddha also is a Kshatriya person. Similarly, Mahavira also is a... I have taken down the information from Byju's. Instead of you going for the searching, I contacted that Google search. At the age of 30, he abandoned the world. Similarly, Buddha also, he left Yashodhara and the boy. And similarly, he became an ascetic. And he wandered for 12 years. And finally, he attained at the age of 42, Kevala Jnana. You please note down that. Kevala Jnana. Buddha has attained Bodhisattva, and this gentleman has attained Kevala Jnana. It was on the Rusupalika river banks. Buddha got the divinity near a tree, whereas this Mahavira, he got it Rusupalika river. So the question may be, where did he get, or how did he get, or something like that. Rusupalika river. He propagated Jainism for 30 years. That is more important. And at the age of 72, he attained Samadhi. So he lived up to 72 years. The history of Jainism goes like this. There are 24 enlightened spiritual masters. They are known as Tirthankaras. You please note down. Jaina Tirthankaras. Like our Dashavataras or whatever it is, they have 24 rishis, Tirthankaras. Mahavira is not the founder. That is more important. He preached, he propagated, but he is not the person who has started this Jainism. There is one gentleman called Rishabhadeva. You please note down. Rishabhadeva. Rishabhadeva. He is the first mentor, and his name is mentioned in Rig Veda also, and it started from him. Then the doctrine of Jainism was preached by several other peoples. 22nd one was Neminada. You please note down his name. 22nd Tirthankara is Neminada. Twenty-third Tirthankara is Parshvanatha. Parshvanatha. And finally, the 24th person is the Mahavir Jain. And he was the person who was able to propagate in several parts of the country. And there are 5 tenets. The doctrines are known as tenets, all 5. You please note down, you just go through the screen. Anekantavada, please note down. Anekantavada. Vada means a doctrine. This doctrine is of manifold nature of reality. We have Advaita philosophy. Similarly, in Jainism also this is there. And the second one was Shyadavada, the theory of conditioned predictions. Then Nayavada, then Triratna. Triratna means 3 gems. And 5th one is Pancha Mahavrata. They have propagated 5 vratas, and that is very important one. And there are several ways of teaching. And finally, the key important tenets are Gandharas, you just go up. Gandharas, Siddha, spirit of Jainism, and comparison also is there. It is a full-fledged notes. Yeah, you stop here. Yeah. And the importance of Jainism, there are 2 ways of doing it. One is Digambara and in Svetambara. Can any one of you tell what is the difference between Digambara and Svetambara? The Digambara people, they won't wear any clothes. like our people in Uttarakhand also, when they go for Kumbh Mela, there are akhadas. They go very naked. Similarly, these persons also, they are naked and nudity is there. Whereas in Shvetambara, they wear white cloths and they wear masks also. Like in our COVID corona time, we are wearing the mask. Similar to that, all Shvetambara people, they wear masks. The simple reason behind is they fear that some of the creatures, they may enter into our mouth and they may die. So that is why they also doesn't walk with their slippers. That is also another important thing, because they are very much afraid of killing any person or any creature, even a small thing. They are known as a particular thing. And the closeness to Buddhism and Jainism also is there. Both of them have been treated on par with the equal importance. So you please go through these notes where they have given the differences between Buddhism and Jainism also. But in most of the part of the Indian community, some people are there and who practice this Jainism. Compared to all the other religions, Jainism is the very small marginal of India. When compared to other religions like Muslim, Christianity, Buddhism, the last one, according to the census and the religious census, it is like that. Then I will take another important thing. Yesterday I have given 5 poets' names. Few of them have replied. I will ask, you close this screen, madam? Yeah. Padma, you are not replying to all my question bank.
We
What
will
is the
join
problem?
Once again, sir.
You want to join again?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Sir, I
You
have
want to
answered, but
join
forgot to
again?
share, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will end this meeting, students. Please join again.
Oh, please.